Hello guys, I'm back guys. Sorry doesn't if I don't post videos and cause I was a long vacation and and I'm going to tell you someone named Peli. Paypoop or Peli. He is the most annoying YouTuber in the fucking YouTube. Peli is using God for subs and like, and even using other YouTubers for like and subs, saying the the YouTubers are bullying him, and even even using steak, vanilla bean, everything. And he said he vanilla bean has a lost long sister. What is cap, guys? Never, never, never sub to her. Guys, the fucking Bailey of Paypoop, he's the fucking annoying girl in the time world. Dude ba siya? Sorry guys ha. Bye-bye.